Yeah, when you leave the shores of Africa, you stay in another country, you are no more the same person you used to be.
Yes.
Your mentality, the way of your reasoning, everything has changed. The environment has changed. You may not feel as comfortable as you used to feel before when you get home.
Yes.
So for you to get that comfort, you need to establish what you need back home for yourself. So that when you come home, you have such things there. Okay? So one should be careful. There are pressures from home.
There are expectations.
Sure, there are pressures.
Yes.
Yeah. There are pressures. People start. Whenever you enter abroad, people's eyes are on you. So this one be calling from left, complain, bring money, send money. If you don't take time, you end up in a year after making millions, you don't have anything for yourself.
Nothing.
Number two mistake I personally think people make while in abroad is the level of
extravagant
lifestyle. When you leave the shores of Africa, you know how poor.
Know the level of poverty in your family.
That is the thing. Not only your family, in the nation where you come from. The nation may be rich, but how the political class have rendered the masses poor. So you now come to a place where you know that this place is well organized. The people there, they are living well. There are great men and women in the place you are. Then when you come, the little money you get here or you get in abroad, you want to show off. Who are you showing off for? The little money you get in abroad, you want to have the highest party, you want to wear the most expensive clothes, you want to ride the most expensive cars, you want to live large in a place that is not your own. You are creating a kind of scene. You are making the people that own the land to look you and to begin to wonder, what is this guy doing? What are they really into? So you don't create problem for yourself. When you live extravagant lifestyle, you lavish the wealth you have come to acquire in the same country you made it.
The mistakes people make in life in general is that it's not all about making money. It's about how you spend the money you make. You can make 100 billion today and you spend everything today. But if you know how to manage your money, you can do and achieve anything you want to achieve in life.
Yeah, you need to invest. That is your priority coming abroad. You need to invest for the rainy day. So you don't come to abroad, you make money in abroad, you want to do the things that even the people that own the country you are don't even do those things. You don't show off. Understand? You don't show off in a country that is not your own. You want to wear the most expensive things. If you go to shop, you want to shop the most expensive things that even the people that produce those things don't use them. You see, you lavish the same wealth and the thing will go away.
So why do you need to waste the money you are going to use to sponsor your future and whatever the project you are doing at home, to waste it on the property you are not going to use?
You see, it is very, very wrong when someone lives in the shores of Africa, you come abroad, you forget so soon the predicament you passed through or the suffering you went through home.
And the level of poverty in your house.
In your house,
yes.
And in your community, in your state, in your country. You forget so soon. You come to abroad and you forget these things, begin to live large. You want to impress people. You want to make people know you as a big boy. That is not the right thing. And one thing this thing causes is it brings problems to you that even the enforcement agents begin to look at you. They begin to monitor you. Even when you are not doing anything wrong, they find one way or the other to implicate you because you are showing off. They want to know the source of your wealth and you are living large. It's not right.
They forget the reason they are there in that country and they are living an extravagant life that will lead them to nowhere. So don't make that mistake. Eat when you are hungry. Don't eat because you see others eating. Those people you are trying to please, they don't even care about you. The only assignment you have is your family. So concentrate more on achieving your reason for coming to this country.
So it doesn't mean that you don't take care of yourself. It doesn't mean that you can't get the things you need to survive or the necessary things for yourself. We are talking about extravagancy. There are things you don't need. There are things you don't need to get at that time. Okay, so you need to eat the necessary things you need to eat, buy the necessary things you need to buy to take care of yourself. But when it comes to extravagancy, you avoid those things. These things will bring you back to poverty. It will bring you back to regret. Many people have made millions abroad before, but now they are regretting it. Listen to their stories, they will tell you. But you will not listen to these stories because you feel that this money falls from, it continues coming.
And you believe that it's coming, another one is coming.
Sure, it will never stop.
Yes.
There is time for everything.
And that is why most people are suffering, because they know that tomorrow is another day.
Sure.
And they have no culture of saving. So tomorrow is another day. By the time tomorrow comes, there's nothing for you to eat, and you start suffering.
And again, if you are living your life, normal life, and you see people castigating you, calling you names, you are not a guy, you are a Jew guy, you are not social. My brother, leave them. You came to this, you came to abroad alone. You came alone. You are the only person on your passport, as I said before. Gather your money, go home and establish yourself. They will come back asking you, how did you do it?
There's difference between needs and wants. Get your needs and not your wants. You can never satisfy your body. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share in your group. Follow us on Facebook, KCT Group TV. Follow us on Instagram, KCT Online.
It's not all about watching the video or listening to what we are saying. It's all about you that have listened, you that have watched, to learn from it and to advise people around you too. And make people around you, make sure they see this video, make sure they watch it, they learn from this so that they don't repeat these mistakes in their own life. Even if you are back home in Africa, in any part of the world, anywhere you are, you don't do this kind of mistakes so that you will not go back to poverty.